Hello everyone, in this video I will discuss about this electrochemistry, this exercise question, NCERT exercise question, this question number 12. This question number 12 is, what is this question? How much charge is required for the following reduction? This point number 1, 1 mole of aluminum 3 plus 2 aluminum. Point number 2, 1 mole of copper 2 plus 2 copper. And point number 3, 1 mole of MnO4 minus 2 Mn2 plus. Okay, this one. So how much charge needed? So this one is actually, this one is what? This is reduction reaction. Okay, this one is reduction reaction. That means, yes, first of all I have to write this one is what? Electrode reaction. Okay, electrode reaction. Now how to write electrode reaction? Suppose this one is first one, this is equation number 1. First equation number 1, this one is what? The electrode reaction. Okay, the electrode reaction is what? This one, aluminum Al3 plus, aluminum 3 plus, this is Al. Okay, this one. So this is reduction reaction. Actually this is what reaction? Reduction reaction. So in this reaction means reduction reaction. So in this reaction electron have to add. Okay, then adding of electron. So adding of electron is what? This is reduction. Okay, this is reduction. Then that means gain of electron. So for this side is this side, this aluminum, this side oxidation number is 0. So you should maintain here also 0. So how to maintain? Here 3 plus is there. So 3 plus, then 3 plus, then 3 minus needed. That means 3 electron. Okay, 3 electron. If you add 3 electron, this charge will be neutral. That means aluminum Al3 plus changes to Al. Okay, this one. See here how many mole? In question they are asking this 1 mole. Okay, this is 1 mole. 1 mole. And this one how mole? Now how many moles of electron? They are 3 mole. Okay, 3 mole. So this one is 3 mole. So this one is how much charge is required? How much charge is required? See, this is formula. The total quantity of charge, or this is quantity of charge required, quantity of charge required for the reduction, of one of aluminum 3 plus. Okay, equal to, now this one is charge, this is formula NF. Okay, then how much charge is required? So this is formula NF. Here N equal to number of electrons, number of electrons. That means how many electrons participate in this reaction. See, in this reaction how many electrons are added? So how many electrons? Only 3. So 3 mole. So N below, here N below is 3. Then 3 into F means this is Faraday. Okay, Faraday. So 1 Faraday, you know this one is 1 Faraday equal to 96,500 coulomb. This is formula. Or sorry, value. What is the value of Faraday? 1 Faraday equal to 96,500 coulomb. Then you can write 96,500 coulomb. Okay, then now this one have to multiply. If you multiplying, then value is 289,500 coulomb. Okay, this one. So this one is how much charge is required? This much charge is required. Okay, this much charge is required. This is very easy one. This is 1 number. Now 2 number. This 2 number is what? 2 number question. Here I have to see. This is NCERT question. This 2 number. 1 mole of Cu2 plus to Cu. That means Cu2 plus changes to Cu. So Cu2 plus changes to Cu. So first of all I have to write this one is what? Electrode reaction. Okay, then electrode reaction. And this one is reduction reaction. That means electron have to add. So this one is copper Cu2 plus 2 electron, adding electron. Okay, this adding electron also called reduction, Cu. So Cu2 plus 2 electron changes to Cu. here this is how many mole, this is 1 mole. Okay, 1 mole. Then 1 mole of Cu2 plus, 1 mole of Cu2 plus this one, and here 2 mole. Okay, 2 mole electron, this 2 mole electron, 2 mole electron. Now charge required, that means quantity of charge. Then you can write here quantity of charge required for the reduction of 1 mole of Cu2 plus equal to NF. This is formula NF. Here N equal to how much? N equal to, here N equal to 2, because here 2 mole, that means 2 electrons needed for neutralization, that means this charge. Okay, this side charge is what? This side charge is, that means oxidation number 0. Now this side also you have to maintain that charge 2 plus, that means plus 2. Now for neutralization you can use 2 electron, that means minus. Okay, then 0, you will get 0. Okay, this one, that means this is reduction reaction, gain of electron, 2 electron gain. Okay, gain of electron, this is electron, 2 electron, and electron charge is what? Electron charge is negative. So 2 negative, 2 positive will be 0. So 2 negative, 2 positive will be 0. Okay, then 2, N below 2. F Faraday 96,500 coulomb. After that this answer is what? Answer is you can calculate this answer 193,000 C. Okay, this one, this is point number 2. Now point number 3, this one is very important. Point number 3 is, see how to do this one. 1 mole of MnO4, 1 mole of MnO4 minus to Mn2 plus. Okay, Mn2 plus, this is MnO4 minus to Mn2 plus. First of all, so this one, from here you can find out oxidation number of manganese. So how to find out oxidation number of manganese? So I can write here, this one is 3 number MnO4 minus. Okay, so first of all I have to find out this is oxidation number of manganese. So this one have to find out. So this one is X. Okay, and you know this one oxidation number of oxygen minus 2. Okay, so I can write here X plus, okay, minus 2 and minus 2. Oxygen, how many oxygen? 4, equal to, then algebraic sum this charge how much? Minus 1. Okay, this one, then X minus plus minus 8 equal to minus 1, then X equal to minus 1 plus 8, then plus 7. That means manganese, this manganese Mn plus 7. Okay, this is oxidation number of manganese. Here oxidation number of manganese is how much? Plus 7. So plus 7, this plus 7 manganese, this manganese Mn, this Mn 7 plus 2 Mn 2 plus. Okay, 2 plus, this one is reaction 1. Okay, so so see this one is what? That electrode reduction. The electrode reduction is, this one is 3 number na, 3 number electrode reduction MnO4 minus, this changes to Mn2 plus. Okay, this one, so you can write this one, that is Mn7 plus to Mn2 plus. Okay, now this side this charge is 2 plus. Now this side you can balance. Here also this charge is 2, so here 7 is there, 7, so you can add that one 5 electrons. If you can add 5 electrons, then you will get this electron charge is negative. So 7 minus 5, how much? 7 minus 5 plus 2. Okay, plus 2. So this side now charge is plus 2, this side also charge plus 2. So both the sides are charge equal. Okay, equal. So here this is 1 mole Mn 7 plus, here 5 mole, this is 5 mole electron. That means how many electron participate in this cell reaction or this reduction reaction or electrode reaction? How many? Here 5. Okay, 5 electron are participated. Okay, 5 electrons, understood? So 5 mole. Now this one is charge, have to find out charge. This charge, how many charge? Then you can write quantity of charge required, quantity of charge, direct, I have to write direct. Okay, then quantity of charge required for the reduction of 1 mole of Mn7 plus. So for Mn7 plus, how much? Nf. Then n value how much? 5. n value 5, and f value is 96,500 coulomb. Then now you can multiply 0, 5 0 the 0, 5 0 0, 5 5 are 25, then 2, 6 5 are 30, 30 31, 32, 3 is carry, then 45 45, 46, 47, 48, this much. Okay, then 482,500 coulomb. This one, understood? So this question is over, I think. Yes, over this one. Okay, very easy and very important one. Okay, now question number is 13. Then question number 13, you can see here, this 13 number, how much electricity in terms of Faraday is required to produce? This one is one number, 20 gram of calcium from molten CaCl2, and 2 number, 40 gram of aluminum from molten Al2O3. So first of all, see this one, calcium chloride. So calcium, how to split that calcium chloride? So calcium chloride, how to split? See this one, CaCl2. Now splitting time, or this one splitting, after splitting, Ca2 plus Cl minus here 2. Okay, this one. So now like this have to split, understood? Like this have to split. See now. Okay, this one is calcium chloride, this calcium chloride, and first of all you have to write this is electrode reaction. Okay, then this one is 13 number, 13 1 number, the electrode reaction is Ca2 plus 2 electron to form Ca. Okay, this one, see this, this one is reduction reaction, the adding of electron, gain of electron, the Ca2 plus 2 electron to form calcium Ca. Okay, how many electrons gain here? Okay, 2. This Ca2 plus, how many electrons gain? Only 2 electrons for neutralization. This charge here, charge is 0. So you should see this side also charge should be 0. Then plus 2 here, minus 2, the equal to 0 charge. Now this side charge 0, this side also 0. Now this is 1 mole. Okay, this one is 1 mole, and here 2 mole, here 2 mole electron. So thus you can write like this, thus 1 mole of calcium, see this calcium 1 mole of calcium. So what is the atomic mass of calcium? 40 gram. So the 1 mole of calcium, inside the bracket you can write 40 gram, requires 2 Faraday electricity, 2 Faraday, and 1 mole of calcium, that means 40 gram requires 2 Faraday electricity, that means 2 electrons. Okay, so NF, that means 2 Faraday electricity. If 40 gram, how many electricity required? 2 Faraday. Then 20 gram, how much? This is half. Then 1 gram requires how much? 1 gram requires, then this one divided this one. If 40 gram requires 2 Faraday, then 20 gram how much? Half. That means half. 2F divided by 2, you can cut, then half, that means 1 Faraday. Then you can write here 20 gram requires 1 Faraday electricity. Understood this one? If 40 gram requires 2 Faraday electricity, then 20 gram how much? This is half. Means what? Then 20 gram means, if 40 gram 2 Faraday, then 20 gram 1 Faraday, 1 Faraday electricity needed. Okay, then 1 Faraday electricity needed. Now this one. Now point number this point number 2, this one is what? 40 gram of aluminium from molten Al2O3. Okay, molten Al2O3. So aluminum Al2O3. Now this one, see. So first of all I have to see this one, Al2O3. So how to split this one? Al3 plus 2 plus O3 2 minus. Okay, this one is splitting pattern or splitting. Okay, like this I have to split. So this one is see, this one 3 2s are 6, so plus 6, this one, this is charge, and 3 2s are 6 minus 6 will be equal na this one. So this is this one is aluminum 3 plus. See this now electrode reaction, this electrode reaction, and especially this one is reduction reaction, reduction reaction. So aluminum 3 plus plus 3 electron to form aluminum. That means this side, this aluminum charge is neutral, that means 0. So you should maintain here also 0. How to maintain? Here 3 plus is there, that means lack of electron. How many electron lost from here? 3. So if you add 3 electron, then this one plus 3 minus 3 will be equal, then equal to 0. Okay, so this side aluminum charge is, this side aluminum, so overall charge 0, this will charge, this is balance equation. Okay, this one. Now this is 1 mole and this one is 3 mole. Okay, how many mole electron here? 3 mole. Okay, 3 mole. See aluminum is now how many gram? Here this question side written is 40 gram. 40 gram of aluminum from molten Al2O3. So aluminum, we know that aluminum atomic mass of aluminum is how much? Is 27 gram. Okay, 27 gram. So thus, so you can write here, thus 1 mole of aluminum requires 3 Faraday electricity. So 1 mole of what? 1 mole of aluminum, that means how much gram? 27 gram requires 3 Faraday. That means how many electrons participated here? 3 Faraday electricity. Okay, then 1 gram requires how many? 3 Faraday divided by 27 electricity. Then 40 gram, this is the unitary method. 40 gram requires how much? 3 Faraday divided by 27 into 40. Now you can calculate. So you can calculate, then value is 4.44 Faraday. This much needed. Okay, this much. That means 40 gram of aluminum requires 40 gram of aluminum requires 4.44 Faraday. Okay, this one. Understood? So this much. This is equation number question number 2 answer. This one. Understood? So I hope this one I have to understand. Okay, so please subscribe my channels and thank you. Okay, thank you.